Welcome friends. We are happy that you choose to do some elementary algebras with us. In this video, we are going to talk about algebraic expressions, evaluating them and translating them. So feel free to participate. What are algebraic expressions? They are mathematical expressions made of variables, constants, and algebraic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and powers, integer powers, and the roots. Variables are values that we don't know, and constants are fixed known values. For example, if I say 8 is a constant because I know it is defined and it is fixed. 5 is a constant too. We also do have something we call coefficient, and a coefficient is a constant quantity that multiplies a variable. So if I have, for instance, 4x, this 4 is a constant that is multiplying my variable x. So my coefficient here is 4. So if I have 8x, my coefficient is 8. If I have 12a square is my variable, 12 is my constant, so my coefficient is 12. We can notice here that when I write 4x, I say 4 is multiplying x. So whenever I have a number and a variable and there is no operation sign in between them, we consider it as multiplication. So if I say 12a, there is no sign in between the 12 and the a, so this is a multiplication, right? Okay. So we do have different types of algebraic expression, and some are monomials. So in this case, they are, for example, 10x, xy, for ab. And what we realize here is there are only one terms. One term. There is no addition in between them. There is no subtraction in between them. So we always have binomials. In this case, we have two terms. You can say 10x plus 1 have one term and second term. I can also have 4a squared plus b. I still have one term, second term. So we call them binomials. So the third one that we will see is polynomials. So here they have more than one terms. A binomial is a polynomial, right? So more example of polynomials, we can say ax squared plus bx plus c. Here I have 1, 2, 3 terms separated by addition. I can also have 12ab minus 4y squared. One term, second term, right? So these are polynomials. One thing we can do with algebraic expression is evaluating them. So let's see how to do that. Evaluate 4x plus 3 when x equal to 1. Most of the time, this is the way the question is asked. So on one hand, we have our expression, which is 4x plus 3. And the only one variable that we have here is the x. On the other hand, we have the value of the x here. So we have our expression for x plus 3, and we have the value of x. Here we do have two operations. The first operation is the multiplication. 4 is multiplying x, and the second operation is the addition. Evaluating the expression for x plus 3 when x equal to 1 is also another way of asking what numerical value the expression for x plus 3 will give us if we substitute x by its value, which is 1, in our expression. So everywhere that I see x in my expression, I will replace it by 1. And here I only see x one time. So 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3. And from here, I will perform my operation. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So my evaluation gives me 7 as a result. Another example, evaluate 2a squared plus 4b when a equals 3 and b equal 1. So we have to rewrite our expression while substituting variables with their values. So here, 2, the value of a is 3. So I have 3 square, right, plus b, 4. The value of b is 1. I don't have any more variables, so I perform my operations. Powers first, right? So 3 squared is 9. So I have 2 times 9 plus 4 times 1. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 18 plus 4 is 22. So evaluating this expression when a is 3 and b is 1 will give me 22. One more example, let's evaluate the expression a times b to the cube plus b squared plus 4, everything divided by c. When a is equal to 2, b equal to 2, and c equal to 3. So pause the video, solve it before we do it together. Okay, let's do it. I hope you tried. What is the value of a is 2. So I have 2 times, what is the value of b is 2. 2 cube plus, what is the value of b? 2 again. And is squared plus 4 divided by, what is the value of c? 3. Alright, so let's do exponents. We have 2 multiplied by 2 to the cube is 8 plus 2 squared is 4 plus my 4. So this one is right there, plus 4. Divided by over 3, right? Yeah. So what is 2 times 8? That's 16 plus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So on top I have 24 and down I have 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. So my final answer here is 8 after evaluating this expression at a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, and c equal to 3. Are you getting it? If so, good job. If not, just rewatch the video carefully. You will be fine. Any question, just leave a comment. Now let's see functions and function notations. So we talk about function where we have a relationship between many quantities or many variables. Right? There are many ways of expressing functions. In this section, we will be using f, g, h, t as name of functions. And for now, we'll be using f of x, g of x, h of x to define our functions. Note, very important, note that if I say f of x, I'm not multiplying f by x. No, it's a name of my function that I'm using. So here, there is no multiplication here. So we can define a function as f of x equal to 3x squared plus 4. So f of x is the name of my function. Now that we know what are functions, we can evaluate them too. So for example, let's evaluate the function f of x equal 3x plus 4 when x equal to 2. So the same question can be formulated as find f of 2 if f of x is 3x plus 4. Or another way of saying is, for the function f of x is 4x plus 4, evaluate f of 2. So here we know our x, which is 2. We just replace it in our function. So everywhere that I have x in my function, I will replace it by 2. So f of 2 should be equal to 3x. So x is 2, right? Plus 4. So this one doesn't change. I'll keep writing this. F of 2 is equal to 3 times 2, 6, plus 4. So f of 2 is equal to 10. Another one, let's find g of negative 2 if g of t is equal to 2t squared minus t plus a. So we can visually determine that our t equal to negative 2. So everywhere we have t in our function, we will replace it by negative 2. So I will have 2 times negative 2 squared minus negative 2 plus, this is, the a is not a t, so I don't have the value of a, so I will leave my a as it is. So plus 8. Negative 2 squared is 4, so 2 times 4 minus negative 2 plus a. So I have 8. This will give me plus 4, plus 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus a. I cannot combine numbers and letters, so I stop here, and this will be my final answer. Now let's see translating algebraic expression. So translating algebraic expression means translate from a verbal expression or English sentence or English words to algebraic language, which is a language of variables, numbers, and operations, right? So the translation can be vice or versa, from English words to mathematical algebraic words, or from mathematical algebraic language to English words. So if I say translate the expression 2x squared plus 1 into words, let's analyze it. We have one variable, which is x, right? And that's our unknown number. We have three operations. We have power, we have multiplication, and we have addition. So we can rephrase it as 2 times the square of an unknown number increased by 1. Okay, let's see this. 2, 2. The multiplication is times. The square is right there of an unknown number. X is my unknown number. Increased is my plus sign by 1. Is this one. Okay, another one. Let's translate to algebraic expression the following. 1 less than 4 times an unknown number. Okay, it says 1, that's 1 less than. Okay, so we are subtracting 1 from something. Now from what? 4 times an unknown number. So 4 times an unknown number. So my final answer is this. Okay, now do this. Translate into word. 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 squared. Leave your answer in the comment section. I really want to see what you come out with. And also, don't forget to do the good things. Subscribe, share, like, activate the notification bell, and I see you for the next topic.